What is a media kit? Consider it a creative CV. Just like you put together a list of your credentials and accomplishments for a traditional job application, you can do the same thing as a creator or influencer on social media. And just like with a normal CV, you should be making different versions tailored to the different types of brands you're trying to attract. Make sure to include your basic social statistics like follower count and engagement rate across all your channels, your audience demographics so they can match your targeting, and samples of both your most viral content and prior sponsored content. Now that the basics are out of the way, you'll want to stand out by highlighting paid post performance, brand testimonials, and collab options. Whether or not you want to include pricing is up to you and whether you want to be opportunistic. For more info on media kits, head over to our in-depth YouTube video on them.